Good morning, everyone. It is December 25th, 2023. It is Christmas morning in the LTVA here in La Posa of Quartzsite. So we have been working on weekly videos to show everyone how Quartzsite and the LTVA grow into the season. As it grows into January, usually peak season is for the big tent RV show and the RTR, the Rubber Tramp Rendezvous. This will be our third installment of the series, and we are going to drive around and show you what changes have happened. This video will be released in two different formats. One will be the long content form where everything's all in one long video so you can just sit back, relax, and enjoy. It will be time-stamped. If there's certain areas like Dashcam versus drone versus La Posa South versus La Posa North, if you're more interested in that, you can skip ahead to. And I'll also release these in smaller increments, so you only have to watch that one increment if that's what you're interested in. So welcome to our channel. We are Lady Ferns, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. All right, I'm gonna take you along with it. It might be a little quieter than normal. It's a bit early, and it's Christmas morning, so people could be all snuggled in bed still or having Christmas morning coffees with their loved ones. But we're gonna take you out first thing this morning and show you around what Quartzsite looks like Christmas morning. Enjoy. Good morning, everyone, and welcome to our third installment of How Busy is Quartzsite. It is Christmas morning, not quite even 9 a.m. yet, and Quartzsite so far seems pretty sleepy. I don't blame anyone. They're probably all snuggled in bed still, hopefully having a nice coffee or tea with loved ones or with family, or what we sometimes call chosen family, which is friends. But yeah, it's pretty quiet on the road, on the highway here, heading into Quartzsite. First off, we're going to stop at where the big tent and the RV show is, as well as Tyson Wells. Just by driving back and forth into town the past week, I have noticed an influx of more RVs. So at the RV show, they'll have all sorts of makes and models of different RVs and things like that for sale that you can walk in and tour. And my understanding is you can actually buy them right off the lot there too. So they start lining those up weeks before the show even begins. So that's happening now. So we'll pop the drone up and we'll see how many more RVs are there. I don't believe the big tent has started to be set up yet, but we'll find that out here real shortly. And then we'll also show you Tyson Wells as well. We had some major rains a few days ago and some flooding issues, so the road near Tyson Wells is actually closed just past it. So we'll pop by there real quick and take a look around. But that road is still technically closed as of last night. But you can still access Tyson Wells from the highway. All right, let's hop in here to our usual spot. And then we'll pop the drone up and see what we can see. But you can see all these different RVs lined up there, all waiting to be on display. Just tons of them here, side by side. The pop-outs out, getting ready to be displayed here for the RV show. Yeah. Okay, here we go. So after driving around for a bit, I can see that the big tent has not begun its construction yet. However, I stand corrected. The road by Tyson Wells is now open. Looks a little muddy still, a little bit of water, so use at your own risk. But I was there late yesterday afternoon, early evening, and the gates were actually closed and the road was officially closed. So they've opened that back up now and are allowing traffic. But you can see from the drone that that's where all the water was flooding that I shared in another video. It would have gone from where we were down that direction, which was actually quite surprising. I would have assumed the wash would have gone from north to south, but it actually goes south to north. Okay. So now that that's done, we're going to drive to La Posa. Let's see, La Posa West. Keep with the same kind of pattern that I've done in the other videos, and we'll see if there's anything new or how busy it gets. Already it looks like it's a little busier.